Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be show you guys how to fix Instagram could not refresh feed. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your phone setting and click on Wi-Fi, and from here turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on your Wi-Fi, and then go to your Instagram feed and refresh your feed, and should it fix your problem. And after that the problem is not solved, then go to your phone settings, then scroll down, then click on app management, and now open Instagram and click on storage usage, and from here you have to clear data, so click on clear data. And after that the problem isn't fixed, then you have to uninstall your Instagram application from your mobile device, and after uninstalling you have to reinstall Instagram from Play Store, and should this will be work. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.